So, greetings everybody. This is Abhishek Jhajaria. I'm a first-year medical student at SMS Medical College, Jaipur, and I scored 99.85 percentile in NEET 2020, and I am a formal KVPY SX scholar. So, if we talk about this journey of my becoming a doctor, yes, it's lengthy. It's about 4.5 years to just get a degree, and adding 1 year for internship. So, of course, you'll enjoy this journey, but without wasting any much time, I'll start with this. So this is how your NEET scorecard will look like. The first 4 columns will be of your introductory part, and the next 4 columns will comprise your percentile, which you have scored. You can see my scorecard here. And the next will be of cutoff marks, which have been provided in NEET 2021, followed by some important information. So this will be the structure of your scorecard of 2021. So Anamitro has been taken the previous session, and he has told about the particular structure of how this NEET 2021 paper will look like. So I won't waste your time regarding discussing that. So if we talk about the principles to create NEET UG and the basic path I followed in the last 15 days, I'll discuss these points, including many others, in the further slides. So I'll just continue with the timetable for NEET preparation, which I used just weeks prior. See, I know timetable इतना possible नहीं है कि आप 2 साल तक लगातार follow करें. If you ask me personally, मेरा कोई timetable नहीं था for my NEET 2022 years preparation, but last 15 to 1 month days I had a strict timetable which I followed. So it's better if you have a particular timetable, and आप सबका मुझे पता है अलग-अलग time है जिसको आप activate, आपकी body जिस वक्त में active रहती है. But it's important if you take the most active hours of the day between 12 to 6 p.m. Your paper will be between 2 to 5 p.m. So it's better if you have your most active hours of the day between 12 to 6 p.m. I was an early riser, so I had my up to bed from 4 to 5 a.m. in the morning, and I used it for starting with the revision, including meditation. अच्छा होगा आप सुबह की 5-6 बजे की हवा ताजी हवा खा लें. It will make your day, and do some kind of meditation to control your adrenaline levels of the body. And after that, I continued my revision and took some power naps between 10 to 11 p.m., 11 a.m. and some brunch. So what was important was I kept solving question paper with the strict timeline of 2 to 5 p.m. Okay, so 2 to 5 p.m. after solving the paper, have some energy boosters, and then please assess your paper. Analyze your paper after you have solved it. Just don't leave the paper just after solving. Analyze it properly. And then after it, I took dinner at 8 p.m. अच्छा होगा कि अगर आप डिनर शाम के लगभग ही ले लें 7 से 8. Don't take late dinners. It will increase some irresistible hormones in our body, which will not be good for the next day. It will not work as an energy booster for the next day. So take your dinner at 7 to 8 p.m. It's better. And sleeping time, you may decide, but take a strict sleep of 6 to 7 hours. Don't take less than 7 hours or 6 hours. So sleeping time, and after sleeping time, I use my sleeping time after assessment of paper and then reviewing some mistakes which I may have committed in the paper, which I took between 2 to 5 p.m. So this was something I followed before 2 weeks before NEET. If I talk about 1 week before NEET, solving papers on alternate days, it's very, very important. You need to solve paper on alternate days, and if you can solve on each particular day, it's better, but please solve paper on alternate days. I used to do the same thing. I used to wake up at 4 to 5 a.m. studying, revision, meditation, and then brunch at 10 to 11 with cashews and almonds. Don't take high carbohydrate and fat-rich diet. It's better if you stick with protein, vitamins, and minerals. And then a revision or a paper between 12 to 6 p.m. Then dinner and sleeping time. So you can make your own timetable. It doesn't matter, but please take your most active hours between 12 to 6 p.m. Okay. So I'll jump to the next slide.
There is one question for you, Abhishek.
Sure, sir.
He's asking how many MCQ do you think we should be solving every day?
It doesn't matter.
I just want to tell the students over here, there are two things, okay? Everybody who wants to solve, you must be having some time, test series or something. But those who have not gone for a coaching or do not have access to this, have not paid, there is a free 21 mock tests which are available exactly exam styled questions which Moksh is giving to every student. Hundreds and hundreds of students are using that free access to the test series, and these are all timed tests. मतलब आपका टाइम मैनेजमेंट कितना अच्छा है, अगर 180 मिनट में 180 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं तो कितने रह जाते हैं, कौन से सेक्शन से रह जाते हैं, कहाँ पे टाइम, कहाँ पे आपकी वीकनेसेस हैं, कौन सा टॉपिक, कौन सा सब, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको आइडेंटिफाई करके देता है कि दीज आर द थिंग्स which you need to improve in your last 15 days. You are still not ready, please go through those subtopics, whether it is like video lectures, whether it is coaching institute, or wherever you are taking the coaching from. If it is self study, then you need to do that. So these are available with all of you, and you just need to call up on Moksh and ask for the, you know, the login ID, password, credentials, so that you can test yourself. That's all I want to tell these guys at this moment. So you can solve as many as you want. The availability of test series are made available by, you know, by Moksh. Thank you, Abhishek.
Yeah,
Please go on.
at least solve 200 MCQs according to the paper. So it's better if you solve 200 MCQs for 180-minute time period. It's better.